Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Tanya at Sidegigcrafts. So glad you are here to join me today, whether you're a new subscriber or one that's been around for a while. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your support. I have a new journal for you today. This one is Mini Winnie the Pooh. The reason it's a mini is because this one is smaller than the other one I made. This one is 5 inches by 6 inches, and she is a cutie. Look at that. Look at that. She's chunky. I hope you enjoy her as much as I did. I did add the button. If you've been watching my videos, I dropped a button on the floor, found it, was going to throw it away, but it matches perfectly, and I made a little tassel with the button to go on here. Love, love, love how that turned out. It's so cute. And did some sewing on the cover. Used up the scraps of this paper pack that I bought. And I'm just so happy with how it turned out. So let's open it up. So we've got a tag here in the front. But this is all built up a little bit. There's some layers in there, a little chunk, little tree. That was a Christmas die, you guys. You can use your trees for other things too, not just Christmas. Got a little pocket here with some papers and some washi and some fun there, along with some fabric that went along with it. Open that up. There's lots of pages in here for journaling, guys. This is more of a, decorate yourself more journaling space kind of a journal. If you like to journal, this would be a perfect one. I put some tags in here and some different ephemera pieces in here. I've got some trim in here that I thought would be beautiful with it. Added some more pieces here, some old book page from a children's book. Got some music paper. This will fold out so it can be decorated however. Some more writing space. Like I said, there's a lot of writing space in here. Some more music paper, the other edge of that. Got some more papers. We've got another pocket here. We've got two pockets actually, one up front, and I've just put a little card in there. And then a tag on this one. And then there's a pocket here that you can add your own little goodies in there. I did put some book page back behind it. Some more writing space. That's some stationery that I had. And then this is a flip, or this is an accordion. An accordion, so it can go, so when you open this, it can go all the way out this way. It's got a pocket here with some goodies in it. Not only that, but it will go all the way out this way. And it's got a pocket here and a tuck here. And it's also decorated on the flip side. So there's another pocket. And then on this side, there's another tuck here and another pocket here. And the cool thing about this part is actually removable. So this whole little journal, kind of a little journal on its own, can be removed and just tucked back into the elastic. And it can be used separately if desired. So it's decorated on the front and the back. Really, really cool. And then we'll just tuck this back in. So it can just be tucked back in when it's, as desired. And then we'll move on to the second signature. We've got a pocket here with a tag and journaling space on the back, of course. Flip that open. We've got two more little tags there, little mini tags. Some more music paper, flips open. Writing space, stationery, some more writing space. Got some coffee dyed paper in here. Look at the print on there. It's so pretty. Picked up really nicely. And then the end of that stationery paper. And then we've got the music again, the back side of it. And then on this one, we've got another little tuck with a little card in there. And over here, we've got on the back cover, we've got a tuck. And then we've got this little writing space in here. Or maybe a picture can go there or something. It says, I wasn't going to eat it. I was just going to taste it. And that one goes right there. And that's the book. So it's just a little tiny mini little guy. Super cute. I love how this one turned out, you guys. If you're interested in checking out how I made it, there are videos in my list of videos. You can go check those out too. So I hope you like it. As you see this, it will be posted on my Ko-Fi as well as my Etsy shop. So check for those links in the description box, and it will be available to you if you like, and make a great gift for Christmas for anybody that loves their Pooh Bear. So I hope you enjoyed this little flip through. This one is finished, kaput. Thank you so much for being here today and for your continued support. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.